Ivan Irina, Channel 7.
Mr. President,
Hi.
again, this is in reference to your interview in the podcast where you said that you're open to reconciling with the Dutertes. And after you said that, certain conditions were floated. For example, Senator Bongo said...
No. That's not how reconciliation works.
Okay.
You don't put conditions to reconcile. If you're sincere, you want to reconcile, let's sit in front of you. Ano ba talaga problema? Paano nangyari ito? Tanggalin natin ang problema. Pero sasabihin mo, hindi ako makikipag-usap hanggang ibigay mo sa akin ito. Wala pupuntahan na.
Yeah, and that condition
Tapos na. That's not reconciliation.
Yes. Bring
That's not
SPRD
even
home na po.
that's not even a negotiation. That's demanding. Those are setting conditions. That, So, ano sasagutin ng kabila? Etong gagawin mo, sasagutin mo, hindi, gagawin ko yan kung gawin mo naman ito. Wala nang pupuntahan nun. Tapos na ang usapan.
So, how far are you willing to go, Mr. President, to pursue this reconciliation?
Put it this way. I don't know. What will come out? What's needed? Kaya ko bang gawin? Hindi ko kayang gawin. Hindi naman ganun. You cannot prejudge. I'm going to talk to them only this much. Hindi. Kailangan sinasabi ko nga, bukas ka eh. Kahit anong sabihin mo, pakikinggan ko. Kung talagang tapat ako na nais ko mag-reconcile, isipin ko lang, lahat ng hiningi mo, lahat ng hinanakit mo, kung kaya ko ayusin, di ayusin ko para tapos na to. Ayoko nga ng kaaway.